Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn English. Hari ini kita nak belajar bahasa Inggeris. Murid-murid cikgu dah sedia ke? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Okay. What day is today? Today is Friday. How about the date? 25th of June 2021. How about the weather? It is sunny today. Very good. Okay. You have already listened to this song, right? Phonics song. Okay, now we are going to remember what is the sound that we have learned before. There are so many sounds. Okay. Ah for apple. Okay, follow me. Ah for apple. And how about this? This is B for ball, B for bear. Okay. How about this one? K. Very good. K for cat. D for dog. E for elbow. F for fish. G for gorilla. H for happy. I for igloo. J for juice. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. P for pizza. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. For umbrella. W for water. K, this is the second K, right? K for kangaroo. O for orange. Qu for queen. Y for yellow. And today the new sounds is, okay, listen carefully. The sound is Z. 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 Let's do it 5 times. Z. 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 Okay, Z for what? Can you tell me? Z for zebra. Z for zebra. What else? Z for zero. Z for zero. Okay, who can tell me what else? Z for Z for zoo. Z for zoo. So, do you still remember how to write Z? The alphabet is Z. The sound is Z. Okay, now the next sound is X. Listen carefully. X. One more time. X. Let's do it for 5 times. X. 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 Okay, the sound is X. Okay, X for xylophone. Very good. X for xylophone. Okay, what else? X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Okay, the next sound is, listen carefully. V. 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 So the sound is V. Okay, V for vegetable. Very good. V for vegetable. What else? V for van. V for van. Very good. What else? V for vase. V for vase. So the new sounds that we learn today is z, x, and also v. So make sure you remember the sound and also the shape of the sound. Okay? Okay, after this, please open your exercise book 7 and do the exercise. Don't forget to write down the day and also the date. Teacher choose 0, Z for 0, and teacher write Z 5 times. Okay, after you finish Z, write X. Teacher choose xylophone. Okay, teacher draw xylophone and teacher write X, 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 X. Sambil tulis, sambil sebut the sound. Okay? X. Okay, and the last one is V. Okay, teacher choose van, teacher draw van, and also write down van here. Okay, and then write V, 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 V 5 times each line. Okay, and after that, don't forget to snap your exercise book 7. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.